Got 15 days in Vietnam. Let's make them count. With mountains, markets, beaches, and everything in between. This journey moves from cool mountain peaks to historic towns and serene coastal escapes, showcasing the best of Vietnam in just 15 incredible days. From north to south, each day is a chapter in a story you'll never forget. Come with us now. Arrive in Vietnam's lively capital and dive into the charm of the Old Quarter. Narrow lanes buzzing with motorbikes, street vendors calling out, and the scent of fresh herbs in the air. Spend your evening strolling around Ho Chi Minh Lake, watching locals dance, play games, and welcome the night. Start your day at the Temple of Literature, a peaceful symbol of Vietnam's scholarly history. Visit the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum and One Pillar Pagoda. Then wander through markets filled with fresh produce and flowers. At evening, you should join a guided street food tour instead of eating at a restaurant, tasting everything from crispy banh quan to smoky bun cha. Travel to Sapa, where lush rice terraces cascade down mountain slopes. Hike through villages of the Hmong and Dao people, learning about their unique customs. As night falls, enjoy a home-cooked dinner in a local homestay, surrounded by cool mountain air. Wake early to visit a vibrant Highland market, then return to Hanoi for a relaxed evening. Sip a Vietnamese famous egg coffee at a railway cafe as trains rumble by just a few feet away. Board your cruise in Ha Long Bay and watch the limestone towers rise from emerald waters. Kayak through hidden lagoons, swim in quiet coves, and enjoy a seafood feast under the stars. Greet the day with sunrise on the deck before returning to port. Fly to Hue, Vietnam's former imperial capital, and settle into your riverside hotel. Step back in time at the Imperial Citadel. Then explore the serene royal tombs and Tien Mu Pagoda. In the evening, drift down the Perfume River on a traditional boat, listening to folk songs as the city glows. Journey south along the Hai Van Pass, pausing for panoramic views over mountains and sea. Stop at Lang Co Beach and Marble Mountains before arriving in Hoi An, where lanterns light up the riverside. Wander through Japanese merchant houses, ancient temples, and tailor shops. At sunset, release a lantern into the river and watch the reflections dance on the water. Cycle through rice paddies to Cha Khe Vegetable Village, learning about organic farming. Take a hands-on cooking class. Then spend the afternoon relaxing at Bang Beach. Spend the day in Da Nang, explore the Cham Museum, climb Marble Mountains, and walk across the Golden Bridge in Ba Na Hills. End with seafood by the water before returning to Hoi An. Arrive in Nha Trang for a day of beach bliss, snorkeling, or a mud bath spa. Savor freshly grilled seafood as waves lap nearby. Fly to Ho Chi Minh City, where French colonial architecture meets modern skyscrapers. Visit Notre Dame Cathedral, the Central Post Office, and Benton Market for local snacks and souvenirs. Cruise through palm-lined canals, visit a floating market, and taste tropical fruits straight from the orchard. Meet local artisans and learn how coconut candy is made. Enjoy a final coffee at a hidden cafe or pick up last-minute gifts before your departure. Your journey ends, but the memories will travel home with you. "15 days, countless memories." When you're ready to begin your own journey, we'll help make it unforgettable.